Are you aged 19 or over and living in West Yorkshire? Built for Better Group, ADC Property Solutions and involved social impact projects have free construction work experience opportunities available now, funded by Kirklees Council. This is your chance to gain real construction experience, build confidence, learn practical site skills, and meet employers who are looking for people with the right attitude. You could gain experience in construction, retrofit, property maintenance, site logistics, waste, repairs, refurbishment, and the wider built environment. There may also be opportunities to upskill and progress onto NVQs, helping you build the qualifications and experience that could support your route towards a CSCS card and future construction work. We are working with local employers and national employers to help people move closer to paid work, further training, and long-term careers in construction. If you're ready to try construction and take the next step, get in touch today. Use the application form link in the bio or call the number below. Or just email tt@i-sip.co.uk today to find out more. Places are limited.